You were involved in a car crash. Now what do you do? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. There are some absolute firsts that you must go through after being involved in a car crash or any type of injury case. Obviously, the most important thing is to seek appropriate medical attention. You get that medical attention, and then you wind up having to have follow-up care. Most people call their primary care physician, the doctor they've been established with for years. They learn very quickly that that doctor will not be able to see them if the case involves an accident or litigation. Why does a doctor you've trusted say that? They don't want to get involved in litigation. They don't mind treating you, but if that treatment leads to a deposition or any time they have to spin away from their practice, they don't like that to happen. So what's a better plan? Contact an attorney. Ask that attorney if there are any reputable healthcare providers who treat people involved in accident cases. Chances are that attorney will have that information for you, and you will get to a reputable source as opposed to one which can be questioned by the other side's insurance company. Second thing you need to do, document all your harms and losses. It's amazing how quickly people forget. And these are the kind of harms and losses that are not necessarily talking about how long you had a cast, but the day you woke up and you found out that you couldn't take your daughter to her first day of school because your leg was in a cast. Or remembering that you missed out on a family gathering because you were not feeling well due to all the sprains and strains in your body. Or the fact that you may have been in the hospital and now you've woken up and you've seen so many things that have come and gone that you were unable to attend. Again, it always goes back to consulting an attorney. Any good attorney will tell you these things and to document your harms and losses. Well, that's it for today's initial steps on your personal injury case. By the way, if you found this information useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get great new content every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me since I can answer those questions. I answer questions like this all the time. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.